Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today's video is all about detailing and paint protection film on the beautiful Range Rover. This vehicle has come into us with no protection on it. The paintwork, even though the vehicle has only traveled 700 miles, the vehicle actually has already picked up very few minor chips on the front end of the car, and also had quite a lot of swirl marks in it just from factory. And bear in mind, it's done less than 1,000 miles. So these sorts of things are really essential. You have them done early on in the car's life to protect the paintwork, to protect and kind of enhance the paintwork as well. I mean, this car is looking absolutely incredible, incredibly shiny, and also that is all because of the detailing work that we've carried out. So the process for this returning client of ours has been basically what's called a level 2 detail, which is normally our recommendation on brand new vehicles. Reason is because it is a stage 1 polish, getting rid of those light swirl marks, kind of 70 to 80% of those light swirl marks, with a single stage machine polish on the exterior of the vehicle. Then it goes into having its paint protection film applied. This client has opted for our Track Pack, which is basically the bonnet, the front wings here, the bumper, the lights all been done. Even these rear section of lights down here. We've also done the mirrors and also down this bottom sill all the way along towards the back, and then there's a little section that goes along here on these Range Rovers. So that is the Track Pack that we've done on this Range Rover. So that Track Pack is really protecting the vehicle in key areas that are going to be caused by chips and paintwork damage that could happen over time. So we do a couple of different options. We normally do either a front pack or Track Pack like we've got here, or then the full car coverage. And on full car coverage, we have a few options, either to go down the route of coloured PPF or satin PPF, which is a really popular choice. And one of the things our client was actually kind of umming and ahhing about on this particular vehicle, but wanted to keep this gorgeous color. And with that stage 1 correction, turns out paintwork, it's come out absolutely lovely. It's got a lot of depth to that paint, but also one thing that's giving it that gloss is now the crystal serum light. So we use G-Technic as a brand in terms of our coatings. So you've got crystal serum light, which is covered also by an EXO on top of that. Then on the PPF itself, we've gone for the G-Technic Halo to enhance the hydrophobic layer on side of that. So this car is going to bead like no other. We've also protected all of the glass work as well, allowing that to be a lot more water resistant. Water and dirt is going to, in essence, fall off this vehicle, and it's going to make it not only a lot easier to clean, but also it is also protecting the vehicle with all of those products. This has all been completed in a full week span, so on Monday to a Friday, to have this work carried out, because it needs to be done indoors, and also all of the products need time to cure in an indoor kind of controlled environment to be able to cure to the car correctly, properly, and also go through its thorough inspections post installation. So if you guys are interested in adding paint protection film and detailing as a bit of a combo package, feel free to reach out to us. We've got loads of different upgrades available on the CBS Automotive website, as well as on the car care section. You'll find a bit more information on paint protection film, as well as our vehicle detailing packages. So thank you once again for watching, but for me, that is it on today's video. Really hope you've enjoyed it, and also we look forward to upgrading your vehicle very soon.